extraordinary achievement.
The telescope will initially be composed of 66 high-precision antennas, with the option to expand in the future. The devices will be linked and combined together to act as a single giant telescope exploring the sky. In radio telescopes, the human eye has been replaced by electronic detectors, which are supported by supercomputers to collect and interpret data. They can measure the various invisible kinds of electromagnetic waves that stars and galaxies emit, short wavelengths and high-energy frequencies, which are similar to those emitted by a microwave oven, mobile phones, or radios. The amount and precision of the antennas are linked to a supercomputer, and the extreme environmental conditions make the project expensive. Its total cost will be about $1.499 billion US. First though, the antennas must undergo a series of tests. The requirements for them to work properly are extremely precise.
The major challenge for the antenna is meeting the surface accuracy requirements. The surface of the antenna has to be accurate to a parabola accurate to about 13 microns, and one of the key challenges of that is to maintain its shape when the antenna is moving in its position. The gravity pulls the antenna out of shape. And we also have the effect of the sun, which causes thermal deformations on the surface of the antenna.
High on the Shajnantor Plateau is an additional challenge. The bases meant to receive the antennas must be built with the same precision as the telescope. Workers use satellite GPS points and laser equipments to measure as precisely as possible, but harsh conditions make that difficult.
Bueno, las condiciones acá en Chajnantor son bastante extremas. El otro día tuvimos temperaturas de menos 35 grados y vientos de hasta 100 kilómetros por hora.
The radio antennas are designed to be moved so the diameter of the telescope changes. The 66 antennas will work together as a single giant telescope called interferometer, whose diameter is equivalent to the distance between the two more separated antennas. Moving the antennas act as a zoom. The wider the diameter, the better the resolution. On the other hand, the compact configuration, with all the antennas brought together in a 250-meter diameter circle, is conceived to observe large fields of the universe. Also, it's not an easy task to move delicate 12-meter high precision antenna weighing more than 120 tons. Two giant trucks were built specifically for that purpose by a German factory, and engines adapted to the poor oxygen levels in the high location. With a total weight of 120 tons, these machines have 28 independent wheels and can move antennas with a precision of 1 millimeter.
El transportador tiene 4 modos de dirección, lo podemos mover al milímetro, es una máquina bastante, si bien estructuralmente compleja.
Their first scientific observations should start at the end of 2011. The team behind the project hope that ALMA will reveal distant galaxies and their components in the universe, which we see as they would have appeared more than 10 billions of years ago. The training of racehorses is a job best left to the professionals. But what if the professionals received some even more professional help? That's what the latest training carriage in Turkey sets out to do, easing the burden for horses and jockeys alike. Here's how it all works. Recently, a Turkish racehorse trainer has developed a new system that he hopes will shape champions of the future. The Kurt System's racehorse training vehicle replaces the traditional jockey. Horses and camels are driven rather than ridden around a track. The developers claim the new system makes training safer for handlers and enhances the physical and psychological well-being of the animals. They were inspired to create a system that offered more protection to his horses during training.
Yıllardır dedim bu işi yapıyorum. Eğer bu iş böyle devam edecekse, en kaliteli taylarım da bu şekilde telef olacaksa, ya buna bir çözüm bulmalıyım veya bu işi bırakacağım. Kesin böyle bir kararla yola çıktım. İlk başladığım Ceyhan'daki Güney çiftliğinde 2 tekerlekli traktör.
The cabin of the vehicle is large enough to seat up to 3 crew members, a driver, animal trainer, and veterinary specialist.
Son 10 yıldan beri yapılan bu çalışmaların son 3-4 yılı fiiliyata geçmiş. Gerek araç, gerekse race sistemde 100'e en fazla at antrenmana tabi tutulmuştur. Özellikle genç atlar, hani yarış hayatına başlamış olan atlarda ve biniciden kaynaklanan, antrenmandan kaynaklanan arızalar neredeyse %5'lere oranlarına kadar indirilmiştir.
The developers are confident that controlled environment training will become established practice and has put the vehicle into production. Recently, Jaguar unveiled its latest model XJ locally in Shanghai. This four-door saloon with the body of a sports coupe has hit the ground running.
And this is a car that puts together a dramatic-looking exterior with an incredibly comfortable and luxurious interior.
The XJ is powered by AJ-V8 petrol Generation 3rd engines, and power is transmitted through an electronically controlled ZF 6-speed automatic transmission. Plus, its lightweight aluminum monocoque body shell boasts the overall performance of the car. The Mac is making some moves, expanding their range of products to include a smoother mouse and a larger display. But that's not all. An early look at some changes that computer buffs should be excited about. If you want something simpler and easy to use, you've come to the right place. Apple has recently launched its new range of, well, everything, from the multi-touch Magic Mouse to the faster Mac Mini to even a larger display.
It's very easy to use. It's virus resistant, it's crash resistant.
Unlike using the scroll wheels on most of today's mice, the simple move of gliding one's fingers up and down the mouse feels more natural. However, the new gadget will work only on a Mac-based computer with a Bluetooth connection. A recent study shows a marked improvement in the lifestyle of parents can help reduce the heavy metal content of breast milk. A Chinese infant milk manufacturer, Bean Mate, has dedicated itself to the study of human breast milk in order to improve the quality of Chinese milk products. And that's going to do it for this edition of techMAX. We hope you've enjoyed it as much as we've enjoyed bringing it to you. And tune in next time where we'll take another trip around the world of science and technology for a more informative look at today's gadgets, gizmos, and everything in between. I'll see you guys all next time.